How can I check someone's location on an iPhone?
Hello there, tech enthusiasts. In this video, we'll learn how to check someone's location on an iPhone. This could be a handy trick if you're trying to keep tabs on your family members or close friends for safety purposes, with their consent of course. Remember, respect for privacy is crucial, and these features should be used responsibly.
Understanding the basics.
First things first, what are the prerequisites? To track someone's location using their iPhone, you need to have 1. Their consent. It's illegal to track someone's location without their permission. 2. Share My Location enabled on their iPhone. This is a feature built into iOS that allows location sharing. 3. Both iPhones should be connected to the internet.
How to enable location sharing on the target iPhone.
On the iPhone that you want to track, 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. 3. Tap on Find My. 4. Now, tap on Share My Location. 5. Toggle on Share My Location. By doing this, the user allows their iPhone location to be shared with others.
How to track the location.
Now that you have enabled location sharing on the target iPhone, let's see how to check their location from your iPhone. 1. Open the Find My app on your iPhone. 2. At the bottom, tap on the People tab. 3. Tap on the plus symbol in the top right corner. 4. Type in the Apple ID of the person you want to share locations with, then tap Send. 5. Choose Share for 1 hour, or Share until end of day, or Share indefinitely, as per your preference. 6. The other person will then receive a request which they need to accept. Once they accept, their location will appear on your map in the Find My app. And there you go. Now you know how to check someone's location on an iPhone. Just remember, this feature is meant to help keep your loved ones safe, so always respect their privacy and use it responsibly. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Until next time, stay safe and stay connected.